India is blessed with amazing nature. Waterfall forms an important part of the natural offerings. The pretty Malanja Kudam waterfall, located about 15 kilometers from Kanker, is formed at three different levels: 9 meters, 10 meters, and 15 meters by 15 feet wide Doodh River. Picnic here are a joyful affairs as visitors move happily between the three levels. Visitors driving down from Ambabera, visitors sometimes stop by at this 16-meter high waterfall called Chare Mare, created by the Jogi River, 17 kilometers from Antagar, just to take a break.